So we have a situation here where one of the heaters is not working. The two outside ones are working fine. The center one appears to not be working. So I either have a loose wire someplace. The way I wired them, they're not pulling equally. Or maybe the center one just doesn't work. I'm thinking maybe it's the way I wired them because I don't think I have any loose wires, but I can't rule it out until I investigate. So first of all, everything's turned off. It's turned off at the breaker panel and it's turned off at the thermostat. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is just change my wire nuts so that only the center one is hooked up. Pull the end caps, make sure that I have it tight on this end, everything's tight, and then test that one just to see, make sure that that one is working. Then I'll go from there. So I'm not sure what I'm going to find, but I would like to figure this out today and get it corrected. So let's see what we come up with.